My new cockatiel's hissing at me. And my new budgie's over there. This is a great first impression. Oh, I feel bad for him. Because I have to, like, grab them, so he's afraid of that happening again. He was talking to me, though. Then the pet store person grabbed him. Now he's hissing at me. Bro, stop. I don't like being hissed at by a bird. Oh, why are you hissing at me? And Rin is just on the seatbelt. She's just on the seatbelt. She's like, I don't want to sit in the car like a bird. I want to sit in the car like a person. Rin, I'm just laughing at you because you decided to perch there. Hi.